Hi, this is Nitin from Tech Caesar. I I recorded this video to show you that how we can create a support case in Salesforce for Salesforce Commerce Cloud stuff. So earlier when we were in Demandware, we had a Demandware portal to create the support tickets, but after the acquisition, Salesforce has moved all of their stuff to the Salesforce infrastructure, and we are using their tools. And one of the tool is we need to if we need to create a case or the support ticket, we need to go to we need to log in into their portal to do that. So let's quickly see that how we will do it into the Salesforce world. So to create a support ticket for Commerce Cloud, you need to go to the help.salesforce.com, and I will put this link into the description. So you need to go to help.salesforce.com website, and on that website you need to log in with your Trailblazer account. But obvious you need a permission to create a ticket which account admin can give you through the account manager. Let's assume that you have a permission to create a support tickets. So once you will log in into the help.salesforce.com, you will come you will see this screen where on the my cases you will see all the cases, or clicking on the contact support, it will go to the my case portal. So let's click on contact support button. On the next screen you will see uh, the create a case option. So if you're clicking on create a case option, or if you're clicking on my cases, you will land on the same you will you create a case option will open a form. But if you're clicking on the my cases, then it will give you all the cases which have been created by you for a given organization. So here you can see the open cases, and here you can see the closed cases for them. But let's say that you have been associated with the multiple clients, and you have a permission to create a ticket. So then you can select that client organization from here. So let's say that you are working for two different clients, so and you want to create a case for a client. So then you need to ensure that you have selected a right client from here. Otherwise, if you will not select it, then your case may be created with the wrong client. But obviously you need to close it and need to create again. But that's a hassle. So clicking on the create a case, it will open a form. Uh, it's a little bit different what we had in the Demandware. Uh, Here you need to provide a subject and then a description, and here you are seeing a collaborators. So subject and description are self-explanatory. In the collaborators, you need to provide an email address for the folks whom you want to notify whenever this ticket will be updated, or this case will be updated. Uh, so so whenever you will create a ticket, you will be notified by email. It will be automatically when you create a ticket, you will get an email with the case number, and then it has been attached or assigned to one of the support from the Salesforce support team. Uh, Whenever that support team will update your ticket, you will be notified by the email. Now you have an option to come back to this portal to provide your reply, or you can reply over the email, and then that reply will automatically be recorded in with this case. So it's up to you whether you want to come on this portal or you want to reply directly from the email. Salesforce has done a pretty good automation there. Once everything is good and you want to close the ticket, again you can come here and close the ticket, or you can close through the email as well. If you have put the collaborators, so that uh, replies are also being notified to the folks whose email address have been given here. So they will be also up to date with the information. You can provide supporting files here so that support team can take a look for the faster action. So other than so now coming back to the form, so other than the subject and description, we also need to provide a couple of more information. But once I will type the SFCC and SFCC issue. So based on the keyword, Salesforce automatically figure it out that you want to create a ticket for Salesforce. So they start showing the common categories related to commerce. So for example, here you can say that okay, it's an admin related issue or it's a performance related issue, and then you can provide that what whether issue is for production or sandbox, time zone, and then you can also provide the severity, that sub 2, 3, or 4, and uh, collaborators we have discussed. Or guide is being used if you are on Salesforce core, but in our case it's not being used, so you can leave it default, not an issue. Now, so this is how the form is being created. If you are a premier member, then you will see couple of more options. Let me quickly show you. 1 second. Give me a second. I'm just switching the context. Okay. So here, if I'm typing SFCC, SCC issue, and right. So once I'm clicking one of the category, it's also asking me the RAM, so that which RAM I'm working, and then it is also giving me the sub one option, because earlier I was attached, I was showing the organization of my current company, but now it's a client, so that's why sub one is coming. So that's how this whole support stuff works. The important point to note is that more information you will provide in your description, you will get a faster response, because Salesforce support team is pretty good. Uh, they have a pretty knowledgeable folks, but they are also looking for the clear cut information. And based on your severity, the response time decides. So if you're giving the SEP, for example, if you're giving the SEP 2, then within a 2-3 hours somebody will contact to you, and they're also pretty good to jump on the call. So if you're thinking that okay, it's very difficult to describe over the ticket, then you can ask them, or you can request them to set up a call, and based on your availability they quickly do it. uh, I have seen multiple times that they are super fast for this stuff. They quickly jump on the call, they understand your issue, and then they go back and work with their appropriate team, and then keep updating you through the ticket. So yes, as I said, uh, clear clear and more information is always good, with some screenshots, and support team do their best to provide the resolution in a given time zone. So that's how this whole new ecosystem works, to create a ticket. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much for watching this. Have a nice day. Bye.